guys, Steady Eddie here, this time heading down to the beach in Nha Trang. First of all, I've got to cross the road. Not an easy thing to do in Vietnam. The motorbikes, the traffic don't stop for no one. Okay, there we go. Well, it's a glorious day. It's early March, and Nha Trang is a good place to be. There you go, some nice big hotels up there. That rocket thing, whatever it is, still can't figure out what it is. Well, Nha Trang has a lovely beach and lovely water. I like to walk up and down here every day, build up a nice sweat, then go and have a few cold beers and my favourite little beach bar. This is a good place to chill out. Back in the UK it's still very much winter, freezing cold. Here, shorts and t-shirts all the way. Fantastic. Nha Trang is of course full of Russians. It's very much a Russian Vietnamese beach resort nowadays. But so what? Some of these Russians look very nice. What do you think of that phrase, eye candy? I always think it's a bit of a nauseating phrase, that one. It's so sweet and sickly, so namby-pamby. Nevertheless, I know what they mean. Okay, anyway, here we go. Up the steps, shake the sand out of my sandals. And let's take a look at this rocket-shaped monument thing here. There you go, nice shot of the beach there. Now, if you ever looked at a building or a structure or a monument or whatever and thought to yourself, well, I don't know what it's all about, but at least it looks nice. I like Nha Trang Beach. It's got character, it's lovely, it's fun to walk along. Seems to be plenty of things happening. Not like some beaches I've been on recently, you know, some of them can be a little bit bland. This guy reminds me of that character that used to be on Monty Python. I mean that in a nice way. You know that character in some of the episodes, he starts off on the beach and then he runs up to the camera and says, "It's Monty Python's Flying Circus." I think the same character appeared in The Life of Brian. I think he was the guy who was in a prison cell and he started shouting, "You lucky bastard!" Come on, there must be some Python fans out there who know what I'm talking about. Now what's this all about? Abandoned cars on a beach. Maybe the boy racers are being in town, eh? Boy racers get on me nerves back in the UK. Not mature enough to be driving cars. Last year they were playing with a Lego set. This year they're driving a dangerous automobile. And they still think it's a toy. What's that? Oh, I've got sunglasses. I never think to wear them. What's so funny? What's so... Jesus, am I wearing a mask, am I? No, this is the way I normally look. I really am this ugly. I really am. Okay, I'll come back and buy a beer from you someday. Okay, let's head along this way to the south end of the beach, see what's happening. I've seen this guy with his dog around. He seems to have a great relationship with his dog. Looks like a lot of fun. Nice pooch. Like him. Now this is a great little beach bar. In fact, it's a perfect little beach bar. Great location. I think a lot of the expats drink here. It's got reasonably priced cocktails if you like that sort of thing. But the Saigon beer is about 20,000 Vietnamese dong, which is less than $1 US. So you get a nice cold bottle of beer for less than $1. Can't be bad. Black Russian, I tried one of them the other day. It's quite nice. Okay, I'll be back to this place later. Now this here is the Sailing Club. It's also a well-established nighttime spot, been around for a very long time. It's a good place, but like a lot of these beachfront places, it's not cheap, but it's very well kept. So I suppose you're going to pay more money for a nice environment. You've got a really good reliable ATM here, the Vietcom Bank. Very efficient. Charges you a small fee for each withdrawal, but it's pretty good. You can't take out large amounts of money. They're quite limited on that. Okay, it's that time of day now. Time to head down to my favourite little beach bar. Really like this place. I'd say that this is what a little beach bar should be all about. Great location, staff are friendly. The prices are reasonable, nothing fancy, not too big or too small, just a perfect ideal little beach location, the kind of place you want to return to day after day. Beer Saigon, 20,000 Vietnamese dong per bottle. Can't argue with that. Much cheaper than you get in Thailand. Wow, doesn't that look good? Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's a lot more to Nha Trang Beach of course, but rather than do a lengthy video, I've decided to do two different parts of this one. Part 2 will be coming up soon. So I'll say thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. A big thanks to those who already have. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.